Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Neflyonwigs. Not my first, not my second, and not my third time with them. Really love their wigs. So today let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is a box. Nice marble design. Has their website listed on the front. Says your beauty, your style. As I open the box, I see the wig. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. What? They sent me a little stuffed animal. Aww. This is so cute. What is this though? Is this a rat? That's so thoughtful of them. They put a little stuffed animal in here. You could put it on like a keychain or something. I got 2 clips in here. Love collecting these. These really help, like when I'm going to do my like wand curls and stuff, to keep them in place. So good. Oh, and then they sent a scarf. Always look. Wait, is this a scarf though? I see a button. Oh no, this is a mask, honey. So what's this? What's this piece? Oh, okay. This is a headband. Alright. And then this is a mask to match. No man, Neflyon, no, come on. You guys are thoughtful. This is I've never really gotten this kind of combo in a wig package before. That's nice. Shout out to you for that. I got an edge brush and a information pamphlet, hair care, social media, everything like that is listed. And a wig cap. So that's everything in the box. I love this package. They were very warm with this packaging, so I can very much appreciate that. I love that. Okay, so for the wig, there's some information on here about it. So first of all, it says this is a 13x6 T-part lace wig. Okay, it's a 12-inch straight bob, and it's 150% in density, and it's a highlight color. So you don't know the highlight style with the wigs that's trending. It's very much trending. So what I must commend these companies on with the T-part these days is like, it don't look bulky, it don't look like, oh, it's definitely a T-part. They still try their best to make it look like it's a lace front, because they put some space here in the front for the lace to graduate, for the graduation to happen with the hairline. So that I can appreciate. There's a total of 4 combs in here and adjustable straps in the back, so you know, adds security. And as I said, it's a center part. If this was a lace front though, it would be such a bomb half up half down kind of style with a swoop in the front. I was thinking that at first, but this is gonna be nice. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into applying this. This is really nice. You guys know that I love this color. I've had quite a few wigs with this kind of color since recent times. I even had a bob similar to this recently, but it's a little different with the tone, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into applying this right now. This is how it looks when I slip it on. I know it doesn't look right just yet, but I'm happy because it's laying flat enough already and I haven't even done anything to it, so I love that.
Yo, Dre.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just start spraying this down using my Got2b. looks. It is pre-plucked, but it's not like super I know it looks straight, but like when I'll part out like a thin line in the front, you guys will see. So it will be a bit of graduation, so I didn't bother to go in because they did kind of thin out the front here. So I saw that it was pre-plucked, but lightly. But I don't mind. I'm gonna go in and just cut away the excess lace right now. Sidetrack for a little bit. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel once more if you're interested to see my little microblading experience. I mentioned that I got my brows microbladed in a previous hair video. So yeah, I've been still getting a lot of questions, even though I've mentioned that, you know, I mentioned where I went and all that stuff. So if you're missing out on that and you're interested, then check out PETITE-SUE TV. I have a vlog up there currently of all of that. Part wig, they still left room in the front like an inch where you guys could still do your edges and still make it look realistic. I mean, I've seen T-part wigs before where it's just one straight line across. They left no room to make the front look real, like you'd have to legit just wear the hair down, and that's not my style at all. So I really love the newer versions of T-part wigs. You can save money and still manage to make it look like a lace front wig. So that's one upside of these kinds of T-part wigs. So I'm just gonna go in and create my little swoops. So I'm just gonna go through it with my hot comb and my wax stick to get it laid.
Yo, Dre.
I was actually going to go in further and cut off a little bit more. I was going to go for that super like short blunt look, but I am loving this look so much. It's so similar to the bob that I tried the other day. If you guys been keeping up, you'll know exactly which one I am referring to. And as usual, it's laying so nice. You would not know it's a T-part wig and not a lace front, right? I know. So that's the reason why I love when they put the little 1-inch graduation hair in the front. It lays nicely, it doesn't look bulky. It reacts just like a regular lace front wig. So that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Let me know if you like it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I need to kind of hold myself now from doing any more like color like this for a while, because I've been doing this color so often since recently, but it's because it's so nice. It's so nice, and I feel like a lot of females will lean towards this color because, like, for some people, like a lot of corporate places can accept this kind of color, so you can still wear this to work. It's not too bold. It looks really nice. It's tastefully done. So yeah, I'm going to put all the specifications down below in the description box, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself. And yeah, so Neflyon shout out to you. If you're a center part person, you won't mind it just being confined to only being in a center part. And I'll see you guys in my next video, so just go and stay tuned while I make up on yourself.